simplify in this first part p to the minus 2 in brackets the power of minus 4. So when it's in a bracket like this, guys, when I've got base raised to a power in brackets raised to another power, what do I do, guys? I multiply those powers. So it's p to the power of minus 2 times by minus 4, which makes positive 8 or plus 8. Okay, so I'm multiplying those powers. Negative 2 multiplied by negative 4. So the two negatives are multiplied to give me a positive or a plus. And then 2 times 4 or 2 lots of 4 is just 8. So it's p to the power of 8. Next up, simplify 16t squared all to the power of 3 halves. Well, here I can first split this up, okay, into two parts. I can write it as 16 to the power of 3 halves multiplied by t squared to the power of 3 halves. Okay, that's that part there. Now this part is the exact same as the previous part. Okay, I can multiply the powers. Okay, so that part here will be times by t to the power of 2 lots of 3 halves. So 2 times by 3 halves. That makes 6 halves, which is equal to 3, because we have 6 over 2. So 6 divided by 2 is just 3. So we're multiplying it by t cubed, or t to the power of 3. Next up, what does 16 to the power of 3 halves actually mean? I've got a fractional power. It means I'm going to do the root, okay, of the number on the bottom of the fraction, and then I'm going to raise it to the power of what's on the top. So I'm doing the square root of 16, because the denominator has got a 2, okay, it's the second root, okay, or square root, and then I'm going to cube it. The square root of 16 is going to be 4. I have 4 cubed, or 4 to the power of 3, which is 4 times 4 times 4, which is 64. Okay, so I have 64 times by t cubed, which I can write it as 64 t cubed. Okay, and that is how we simplify indices. Okay, hopefully that makes sense.